In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the search engines from Google Chrome. So if you just want to remove unnecessary search engines that is added by the third-party applications on softwares, when you install the softwares, you might have noticed that the search engine default changes sometimes, and sometimes it's added in Google Chrome. So here's how we can easily remove this. So what you have to do is just click on this three-dotted icon on the top right and just click on the settings. And in the settings, we will see on our left hand side, we have the search engine. And here Google is already added, but if you want to manage other search engines, let's say that you can see a list of it, you can just click here. And for example, just DuckDuckGo, Yandex, or other one that you want to remove, just go ahead and click on this three-dotted icon and click delete. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.